The question is, are we still good to start a YouTube channel in 2020? And just one word answer is yes, why not? But it's not just as simple as yes, why not? But it's gonna, like, let's talk about like how we can start a YouTube channel in 2020 and still make something good out of it, out of your time or whatever, something benefit of you out of your time or effort. So yes, so just create a Gmail. So I just created Gmail ID. Then all you have to do is just go and click here, and then you just have to click on YouTube. So, and then you defaultly you will get this is the thing. And if you don't get this login, this is your things about login. If you don't get it, just sign out and sign in again. That's all you gotta do. Okay, so this is your home page. And then now your question is how we can start a YouTube channel, right? So this is what you did. All you did so far is just created a Gmail, and then you went in here, Google Apps, and then clicked on YouTube, and it will defaultly transfer your data into all these apps, I guess, defaultly. So in YouTube, when you open YouTube, you're already logged into YouTube. Okay, and now what you gotta do now is just let me see, right? This is where you pretty much have here like home, trending, what are the trending videos, your library, and all this stuff, what's popular on YouTube among your subscriptions. And so now YouTube apps, YouTube still have certain apps like YouTube TV, YouTube Music for kids, and Creator Academy, and YouTube for artists, right? So let me see what I'll get if I click on YouTube for artists. Yeah, maybe it's not for us. So we're not artists, we are just content creators. So I'm just gonna close this, and then that's just for content, that's not for us. So for the content creator, so again I'll just go here, YouTube apps, YouTube TV. So no, it's not, I don't think it belongs to us. So let me click on here, like YouTube video, right? So let me click on here, YouTube video. Let's say get started. Just click on YouTube video, it's get started. Username, use a custom name, you use your name. So just select use my name as this is what I got. Then I'm good with this. Tell viewers about your channel. I'm just gonna say baby related and etc, right? And then add links, Facebook. So I'm just gonna save and continue with what I have here. I'm not gonna fill up all those details right now. So this is it, this is your channel right now. Okay, so YouTube Studio, this is your YouTube Studio. So just click on YouTube Studio and click on got it, and this is it. So you are here. So it says this is your dashboard. It says like you have 0 subscribers last 28 days, you have 0 views, watch time is 0%. This is where your channel, this is how you create your YouTube channel. So guys, see, it just takes a couple minutes to create a YouTube channel, and anyone with an Gmail ID can create a YouTube channel without any restriction. Doesn't matter where you are, which country, it's all irrelevant. Okay, so now what are you gonna do once you have a YouTube channel? So how YouTube works for content creators. Content creators create the content, put their content on YouTube. Then if someone watches it and advertisers those pays YouTube for their content, YouTube pays you for creating that content. So for every $100 YouTube makes out of this content, it pays $55 to content creators like us, and it keeps 45% for its own infrastructure and providing this whole marketplace or platform for the content creators like us. So it's even if YouTube is giving you 55%, that is still a good deal, because it really costs a lot of this platform and all this stuff, and it's still gonna be profitable. So end of the day, it's a good platform for us, and we're gonna get 55% of the revenue what YouTube makes off of our content. So this is where our YouTube dashboard right now. And whenever you create a content, all you gotta do is just like create. That's all you gotta do. Just click on create, and then you'll get like upload video or go live. So when you upload any video, it just comes here, and that's it. So what I'm gonna do is, this is how we create a channel. So pretty much the point why I'm making this video is just to show you how you can create a channel in 2020 and how you can do good with it, you know. So when I say do good with it, is you're spending some time and effort, for content creation, so now you're doing for some purpose, like for fun or some reputation or some for money or whatever, right? Everything is for a reason, like whatever. Even you're doing for fun, it's still a reason. Like, you know, you're doing for fun is a reason, that's why you're doing it, right? You're creating some content. Let's say I'm gonna create a content, a baby related stuff, like how babies are when they're born, 1 month old, what they eat, how they behave, what we should buy for them, and what vaccines we use based on you know what doctors suggest, and what insurance we use, how much we pay, any better options, or any. I'm just throwing random things out there, you know. Possibly I would end up making content of those topics, but for now, just the point is, if you create, I'm creating all this content, maybe like even maybe it's for fun, or maybe I'm creating this content to create awareness among other people, like what usually it takes when the baby is 1 day old, when they grow up, what usually it involves, so it may help the people. I would just want to know like what it takes, you know, for a baby, 1 month old baby or 1 day old baby, to like how they grow up, what they need, right? And for the parents, you know, if someone wants to know like just ahead, you know, like how things will be, and this is right platform just to watch and learn and stuff. So out of this, I'm gonna create a content, and maybe it's for my passion, or maybe I'm gonna help these guys. So it should have a reason. So I have this, my purpose, let's say, right? So that's it. So now when you create a content, and YouTube end up like whatever based on how you monetize and all that stuff, and YouTube has a restriction of when you can monetize your content. So as per the YouTube rules, you can monetize your content when you reach a minimum of 1,000 subscribers, and when you reach 4,000 watch hours within the last 365 days. So that's how YouTube works for monetization. Initially, when the YouTube early came in, when they started monetizing, the rules are not this hard. Like anyone with the content, they're able to monetize, and then slowly they change the rule, just because so many people creating content and so many channels out there, so they want to filter out like proper channels with the good content. So like that's why they put this threshold. And also YouTube have certain rules in terms of copyright. You cannot really like take somebody's content and upload it there. So you have to or you should try to create your own content. If not, you know, you have to work with the YouTube fair policy, like how much you can use somebody's content and how you can like tweak it or make some updates or some changes to it, and may change the meaning of those videos. See, it's all about the YouTube fair policy. But for now, this is what I want to cover in this video, and I really appreciate guys for watching this, and let's see how it goes. So I'm just gonna upload a few of the pics of 1 month old baby just to start off with, and then we'll go from there what they can create, and you know what, let's see how it goes from there. That's pretty much it. The first video of this channel is how can we create YouTube channel in 2020 and how we can do good with it. It's not too late. If somebody is really interested, if it's for a hobby, or even some purpose, you still wanna, you just want to like help out at least one to people you think which you can really help in your surroundings. This is one more way of you can engage digitally and help, still indirectly help them. It's an awesome platform. And if you really want to monetize and grow big, or if you will put more effort, then sure, once you reach the threshold point, once you're able to monetize, then still sure, YouTube pays you as per the rules, and you still have an option of doing that as well if you're really serious. But it's not that easy to be eligible or to meet the threshold and start monetizing and make more money. But it is possible, but it just takes a little more hassle and more effort. But it's possible because you see a lot of channels, a lot of YouTube videos, a lot of content out there. Like, people have various views and people try harder, and there are various tips. Maybe I'll share later on, like how we can increase the views, or how we can increase the subscribers, and various other factors, like how we can do better. If your purpose is help more people, so how we can start marketing your content. So there are two steps involved, right? First step is creating a content, second step is marketing your content. So there are a lot of content out there. You have to have a proper content. That's the first step. Second step is you have to market properly. That's the second step. You should always keep focusing on these two steps every single video. Create the content, market the content, create the content, market the content, and that's it. Eventually you will end up good. It's a matter of time. It may happen in a month, it may happen in a year, but it will happen. And you gotta try discipline. That's all it takes. Just the discipline, guys. Just the discipline. So thank you guys for watching. I'm just gonna end up this video right here. So hopefully guess you guys understand how things works. I'm thinking this video makes a little sense.